What's up guys, Chigs here. If your videos look great but still sound a bit amateur, this might be the upgrade you guys need. This is the new DJI Mic Mini 2, a compact wireless microphone with active noise cancellation, voice presets and seamless integration across the DJI ecosystem. Now I've been testing it with cameras, smartphones and even the Osmo Pocket 4. So let's find out how good these really are. Roll the intro. Now DJI has actually sent me two versions of the Mic Mini 2, and this is everything you get with both packages. The larger bundle is the £89 Creators Combo, which includes two transmitters and a receiver and a nice charging case to go with it, making it ideal for interviews and two-person content. The smaller £49 bundle is designed for smartphone creators and includes a transmitter, mobile receiver and a more compact charging case. And what immediately stands out is how small everything is. And DJI has also introduced interchangeable magnet color covers, allowing you to easily customize the appearance of the microphone and make it feel more like part of your outfit than a piece of camera gear. Okay, so let's move on to the design. The transmitter itself weighs just 11 grams, making it one of the lightest wireless microphones I've ever used. And once attached to your shirt, it's barely noticeable. Now, one of the standout features this time around is the interchangeable magnetic front covers. And in this Creator Combo Kit, you're getting black and white. And this package also comes with some additional colors included, and it comes in this nice nifty box. So you're getting 8 different colors. So you pick a color of your choice and you simply stick it on, and they're held on magnetically. It's a simple idea, but it allows the microphone to blend into different outfits, content styles and shooting environments. Now the transmitter can be attached to your clothes using the rear magnet or the included magnetic clip, and the clip can rotate in any of the directions, so you can make sure the microphone can always face towards your mouth for optimal audio capture. And additional colors and styles are available separately if you're really after a unique look. Now let's get to the most important part, audio quality. So right now you are listening to the built-in microphone of my camera, and this is what the audio sounds like. So you are now listening to the Mic Mini 2 in action. So straight away you should hear a cleaner, fuller and more professional sound. The Mic Mini 2 records at 48 kHz, 24-bit audio, which is excellent for YouTube videos, recording interviews or even live streaming. And for most creators, this is the biggest upgrade you will notice immediately. So now let's talk about the 2-level noise cancellation. DJI has equipped the Mic Mini 2 with 2 levels of active noise cancelling. You have a choice between basic or strong. So let's test this out practically. We're going to start indoors. Alright, indoor test first of all. Cooling fan is on. We're testing out the noise cancellation. So this is the Mic Mini 2 with noise cancellation off. Mic Mini 2 with noise cancellation off. So this is the Mic Mini 2 with basic noise cancellation enabled. So this is basic mode. This is what you can expect. Alright, so now I've just activated strong noise cancelling mode. Alright, I got noise cancellation totally off. You can hear the neighbor's lawnmower, and we're testing out the noise cancellation. So first of all, noise cancellation completely off. So Mic Mini 2 basic noise cancellation active. You can hear a lawnmower going on in the background, one of the neighbors. So this is basic mode. Now we're going to switch to strong mode. All right, so Mic Mini 2 test outdoors. This is strong noise cancellation mode active, and we've got a lawnmower going on in the neighbor's garden. So loud lawnmower. Is that noise being cancelled in strong mode? Well, we're going to find out soon. So Mic Mini 2 noise cancellation mode, strong mode enabled. So as you guys just witnessed, strong mode does an impressive job reducing traffic or environmental noises around you, whilst keeping your speech clear and intelligible. For vloggers who regularly shoot outdoors, this feature can make a massive difference. Now another new addition is voice tone presets. You can choose between regular, rich and bright. So this is regular, it's the default setting, and it offers a balanced sound with clear and full tones. Now this is rich mode active, which provides a solid sound without muddiness and boosts the low frequency. And you'll notice that rich mode adds warmth and body to the voice. Personally, I find myself preferring rich mode from the three, as it gives my voice a slightly more depth without sounding unnatural. And this here is an example of bright mode, which adds a little extra presence and clarity to higher frequency, resulting in clearer and more transparent sound without harshness. So overall, the differences are subtle, but it's nice having the option to tailor the sound to your voice. Now, another really cool feature is the automatic limiting with clipping control. This helps prevent audio clipping when sound levels suddenly spike. Let me give you a demonstration by first of all switching off clipping control. And if I raise my voice, you can hear the distortion. Now with clipping control switched on, if I raise my voice again, you will hear that the distortion is handled better. So basically the microphone automatically adjusts the volume levels to prevent clipping. All right, now let's talk about the mixed device compatibility. This is one of the biggest upgrades for existing DJI users. The camera receiver supports mixed connections between Mic Mini and Mic Mini 2 transmitters. So if you already own the original Mic Mini, you don't need to replace your entire setup. You can connect one Mic Mini transmitter and one Mic Mini 2 transmitter simultaneously. And the receiver goes even further. It can work with Mic Mini 2, Mic 2 and Mic 3 transmitters, making it easy to integrate into existing DJI workflows. This flexibility is a huge benefit for content creators who already own DJI audio products. Now, before we move on, let's take a quick look at the mobile creator bundle. This version costs just £49 and it includes a transmitter and a mobile receiver. And you also get that compact charging case. The mobile receiver simply plugs into your smartphone like so, making it ideal for TikTok creators, live streamers, Instagram creators, or anyone just filming primarily on their phone. Setup takes just a few seconds. And because you're using the dedicated receiver, you still get high quality 48 kHz 24-bit audio, which is significant setup from relying on your phone's built-in microphone. I also like how smaller the charging case is compared to the creators combo, making it incredibly easy to throw in your pocket or camera bag when you're traveling. And everything can be managed from the DJI Mimo app. So you've got exactly the same features, stereo microphone channels. You've got your 2 levels of noise reduction. You got your voice tones as well, which is great. And under TX settings, you can see clipping control is there too. So there is no compromise. The mobile version of the Mic Mini 2 will give you the same great features and superb audio quality for a more affordable price. Now, and one of my favorite features is the DJI OsmoAudio. So if you own an Osmo Pocket 3, 4, Osmo 360, or even the Osmo Action 5 Pro or compatible DJI camera, you can connect directly without even needing the receiver. So you simply press the pairing button, open up settings on the Osmo, and it will connect within a few seconds. And it also lets you know on screen how much battery your Mic 2 has. So the microphone connects directly to the camera, reducing setup time and creating a much cleaner shooting experience. For Osmo Pocket 3 and Pocket 4 users in particular, this creates one of the simplest vlogging setups available right now. Now, battery life is also impressive. The Mic Mini 2 transmitter can operate for up to 11.5 hours on a single charge. And with the charging case, runtime increases to up to 48 hours. This also supports fast charging. So with just 5 minutes of charging, this can provide you up to 1 hour of recording time. So there you have it, guys. That was Mic Mini 2. So over the last few days, I have been testing both the £49 mobile creator bundle and the £89 creator combo. And I must say it's clear that DJI has designed this system to cater for a wide range of content creators. So whether you're filming with your smartphone or a compatible DJI camera, the Mic Mini 2 just delivers a simple and streamlined recording experience that makes capturing audio quality quick and effortless. I also like the fact that DJI offers multiple bundle options, allowing creators to choose a setup that matches the way they work. And with prices starting from just £49 and the full creator bundle available for £89, DJI has made professional quality wireless audio more accessible than ever before. And on a side note, personally, this has to be the most user-friendly, easiest, and the most fun wireless microphone setup that I've actually ever used. And as always, all the links will be in the description box below. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming up next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.